doing it. Today's vlog is going to be filmed entirely on my GoPro Hero 3 because we are going kayaking. We're getting ready to go on the kayaks. I've never done this before. It should be loads of fun. It was so much fun. We did 5 miles. We're back on the complex and I'm gonna try to head to the pool right now. She has an eye infection today and it's just not good. He's had one before and today it's like super red and it hurts. So he's not gonna be swimming, but he's tagging along.